Hello, this is Simon from Astrakhan Project, and this is a super quick update on our adventures in Belgium with the Ghost. We are actually back to France. We just crossed the border, and our gig from yesterday night in Liège was awesome, super cool. Nothing weird. It looked like the ghost was sleeping yesterday, and that's probably due to the fact that we visited a very special monkey in Mons in Belgium that has special powers and apparently can drive away ghosts like the ones we have messing up our gigs. We'll post some pictures from the, well, dark ones because it was at night, but we'll definitely post some pictures from the monkey. So that was the Ghost and Monkey update. See you soon. Bye.